when Kenya don't fight, Kenya citizens don't come outside now because of tax way high. Where the government see pepper, everything can go normal again, can go normal. And I believe with this one, we don't happen so that government no go try again. Not be Nigeria. We say everybody go take their house. The post content say that they complain about what they happen for country. Country percent things they high. That's 500% high. Terrific they high. Light B they high. Imagine the pepper of 13 naira. Pepper of 13 naira about 4 years ago. Pepper where they say 13 naira, maybe 1,000 naira now. And yet nobody say anything. Why the government no go to treat them like slave? Because Nigeria citizens they are not ready. They are not ready. They are not ready. African leaders are just to suck the citizen, join the normal natural resources they get when they do. That will not go reach. That is how oppressors operate. Where your oppressors they oppress your oppressors, say they do anything, they go want the shop you they show, they go eat you join. They go chop the meat, they want chop you join. Like this now, everybody struggle to eat well like this for this country. Yet nobody complains. See Kenyans, say Kenya, stop that nonsense. Yet your youth, you go come outside and they talk about that they fight each other, they cause each other about the video, and they never see food shop. That be the problem for the country like this. Very that man I go talk something. What they were. Some people be say they do boy. We be say the boy they do self. They never see make up for life. Now they go conquer the defend.